How many microfibrils combine to form fibril of cellulose? A50, B100, C200, D250. Cellulose molecular chain consists of 100 microfibrils which are formed of micelles. Micelle consists of 20 microfibril and 250 microfibril come to form a fibril. So option D is the correct answer. Tonofibrils are related to A. nuclear membrane, B. chloroplast, C. mitochondria, D. plasmodesmata. Tonofibrils are cell walls of the cell connections known as plasmodesmata made up of tonofibrils. So option D is the correct answer. Fusion reaction, a technique, has been developed by Fusion and Rosenberg to study or to stain. The stain known as Fusion, developed by scientists Fusion and Rosenberg, studied the molecular structure of DNA and derived a stain to colorize the nuclear part. So DNA stain is known as Fusion. In which one of the following would you expect to find glyoxysomes? A. endosperm of wheat, B. endosperm of castor, C. palisade cell in leaf, D. root hairs. Glyoxysomes are enzymes which play critical role in lipid metabolism in seedlings. Hence, they are supposed to be present in endosperm of castor, as endosperm of wheat will possess starch. So option B is the correct answer. Peroxisomes are rich in A. DNA, B. RNA, C. catalytic enzymes, D. oxidative enzymes. Peroxisomes are microbodies like glyoxysomes. They contain enzyme for oxidation of substrate. Peroxisomes also contain enzymes for production of hydrogen peroxide. So option D is the correct answer. Tubulin protein occurs in A. rough endoplasmic reticulum, B. microtubules, C. thylakoid, D. digestive enzymes. Tubulin is the structural protein that helps in mechanical support found in microtubules like glyoxysomes and peroxisomes. One more protein called dynein is also present in microtubules like cilia and flagella. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following plant contains centrioles in their cell? A. angiosperm, B. mosses and fern, C. red algae, and D. all of this. Centrioles are usually absent in plant except for few lower plants like moss or ferns. So option B is the correct answer, and it is absent in rest of the higher plants. Minimum number of chromosomes are present in A. haplopappus, B. helianthus, C. tagetes, D. lotus. Of all this, an organism known as Haplopappus gracilis has minimum number of chromosomes. Its diploidy number is 4. So option A is the correct answer. Chromosomes whose arms are equal are called A. metacentric chromosome, B. acrocentric, C. concentric, D. acentric chromosomes. Metacentric chromosomes are V-shaped, in which the centromere is placed in the mid portion of the chromatids. So they have equal arms. So option A is the correct answer. Centromere is concerned with A. splitting of chromosome, B. formation of spindle fibers, D. movement of chromosome to poles, D. duplication of DNA. During cell division, spindle fibers attach to the centromere of chromosome. As a result of this, chromosomes move towards the pole and form V-shaped or L-shaped. Spindle fibers are attached here and attract them towards the opposite poles. So option C is the correct answer. Spindle chromosome have A. centriole, B. kinetochore, B. chromocenter, D. chromomere. Chromosomes which adjoins with spindle fibers designated as spindle chromosomes. The position at which the spindle fiber get attached is known as centromere or kinetochore. So option B is the correct answer. Supercoiled structure of eukaryotic chromosome is explained by A. Taylor model, B. Fries and Taylor model, C. nucleosome model, and D. Nebel model. The structure of chromosomes consists of alpha plated sheet or beta plated helix structure. This was explained by Fries and Taylor. Kinetochore is present in A. mitochondria, B. chromosome, C. lysosome, D. spherosomes. Kinetochore, also known as centromere, are present at the center of the chromatid. This is one chromatid and this is double chromatid, and the center where they attach is known as centromere. It also helps in attachment of spindle fibers. So centromere or kinetochore are present in chromosomes. Chromosome having subterminal centromere is called A. telocentric, B. acrocentric, C. metacentric, D. subcentric. When centromere is present at the center is known as metacentric. When it is present near center, it is known as submetacentric. When it is present near one terminal is known as acrocentric, and when the centromere is present at the terminal is known as telocentric. So option B is subterminal centromere acrocentric. It is mostly present in Y chromosome. Centromere is a part of A. ribosome, B. mitochondria, C. chromosome, D. endoplasmic reticulum. Centromere, also known as kinetochore, is present in chromosomes. It is present mostly at the center of metacentric chromosome. It helps in attachment of two chromatids to form double chromatid structure, or it is also present, helps in attachment of spindle fibers during cell division, which move the chromatids towards the poles to form V-shaped chromatid or L-shaped chromatid. So option C is the correct answer. Tip of chromosomes are called A. centromere, B. chromomere, C. telomere, D. metamere. The tips of chromosomes or chromatid are known as telomere. Telo means at a distance. So these are known as telomeres. How many types of nucleotides are commonly found? A1, B2, C3, D4. Nucleotides polymerize to form DNA. Nucleotide consists of a nitrogen base, sugar, and phosphate attached to it. There are four types of nitrogen base present in DNA. Adenine, guanine, these are purines, and pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. Uracil is found in RNA. So as there are four types of nitrogen bases, four different types of nucleotides can be found. Option D. A nucleotide differs from a nucleoside in not having A. phosphate, B. sugar, C. phosphate and sugar, D. nitrogen base. When a nitrogen base is attached to a sugar, it forms a nucleoside, and when a nucleoside is attached to a phosphate, form nucleotide. So this is nucleoside, and this whole is known as nucleotide. So presence or absence of phosphate differs the nucleoside and nucleotide. So option A is the correct answer. Bivalents in meiosis are A. tetrad, B. pairs of non-homologous chromosome, C. pairs of serial chromatids, D. pairs of homozygous chromosomes. Bivalent formation occur in Pakistani stage of meiosis, which is reductional division. So during this stage, two chromatids of homologous chromosomes, known as bivalents, later on forms a cross on showing a tetravalent or tetrad stage. So bivalent in meiosis are tetrads. Which of the following stage is affected by colchicism? A. metaphase, B. prophase, C. interphase, D. anaphase. Colchicine is obtained from Colchicum autumnale plant, which inhibits the formation of spindle fibers. The spindle fiber forms in metaphase, so it inhibits metaphase. Condensation of chromosome occur in A prophase 1, B prophase 2, C anaphase, D metaphase. Condensation occurs when the chromosome move towards the respective poles. Centrioles release spindle fibers attached to centromere, and this attach pulls the chromatids towards the respective pole. As they reaches the pole, there is more condensation and form two different cell division. So it is seen in prophase 1, option A. The role of meiosis is A. Formation of gametes, B. Bringing haplophase, C. Bringing diplophase, D. Completing life cycle. Meiosis is also known as reductional division, in which the diploidy number is reduced to half and form haploid. It is the most important phase which bring about haplophase or haploid phase. So option B is the correct answer. In Pakistan stage of meiosis, the chromosome appears A single-stranded, B double-stranded, C three-stranded, D four-stranded. During Pakistan stage of chromosomes get crossed with each pair and forms four-stranded appearance. This four-stranded appearance is known as tetrad formation. So option D is the correct answer. How many mitotic division occur in a cell of root tip to form 256 cells? A 256, B 8, C 128, D 64. When a one cell divides mitotically, it forms two cells. 2 divides to form 4, 4 to 8, then 8 to 16, 16 to 32 cells in mitotic division. And again, when mitosis occurs, it forms 64, 64 to 128, and from 128 to 256. So there are about 8 mitotic divisions.